بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Raid. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense raids, present participle raiding, past tense, past participle raided. If the police raid a building, they enter it suddenly and by force in order to look for dangerous criminals or for evidence of something illegal, such as drugs or weapons. Synonyms: make a search of, search, bust. Police raided the house looking for drugs.
Rap. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense raps, present participle rapping, past tense, past participle rapped. If you rap on something or rap it, you hit it with a series of quick blows. Synonyms: hit, strike, knock, crack. She rapped on the door.
Rattle. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense rattles, present participle rattling, past tense, past participle rattled.
When something rattles or when you rattle it, it makes short sharp knocking sounds because it is being shaken or it keeps hitting against something hard. Synonyms: shake, jiggle, jolt, vibrate. The windows were rattling all night in the wind.
Rebel. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense rebels, present participle rebelling, past tense, past participle rebelled. When someone rebels, they start to behave differently from other people and reject the values of society or of their parents. Synonyms: defy, dissent, disobey, come out against. He rebelled against his parents.
Reflect. Word forms, third person singular present tense reflects, present participle reflecting, past tense, past participle reflected. When something is reflected in a mirror or in water, you can see its image in the mirror or in the water. Synonyms: throwback, return, mirror, echo. A mirror reflects a picture of you when you look in it.
Ride. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense rides, present participle riding, past tense rode, past participle ridden. When you ride in a vehicle such as a car, you travel in it. Synonyms: travel, be carried, be supported, be borne. He was riding on the back of a friend's bicycle.
Rinse. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense rinses, present participle rinsing, past tense, past participle rinsed. When you rinse something, you wash it in clean water in order to remove dirt or soap from it. Synonyms: wash, clean, wet, dip. It's important to rinse the rice to remove the starch.
Rob. Word forms, third person singular present tense robs, present participle robbing, past tense, past participle robbed. If someone is robbed, they have money or property stolen from them. Synonyms: steal from, hold up, rifle, mug. They robbed a bank.
Rot. Word forms, third person singular present tense rots, present participle rotting, past tense, past participle rotted. When food, wood, or another substance rots, or when something rots it, it becomes softer and is gradually destroyed. Synonyms: decay, break down, spoil, corrupt. Nobody picked up the apples, so they rotted.
Rust. Word forms, third person singular present tense rusts, present participle rusting, past tense, past participle rusted. When a metal object rusts, it becomes covered in rust and often loses its strength. Synonyms: stagnate, decay, decline, deteriorate. My bike rusted because I left it out in the rain.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.